Hello everyone, my name is Rifki Maulana Iskandar,
And my name is Musa Khail Musaish.
and today we will present our research titled ABSA Mini Indobert, distilled version of Indobert Lite using Mini Albert knowledge distillation for efficient Indonesian ABSA. This research focus on Indonesian aspect-based sentiment analysis or ABSA. The main goal is to develop a more efficient ABSA model by transferring knowledge from a large Indobert model into a smaller Indobert Lite model. Okay, traditional sentiment analysis usually gives only one overall sentiment label for a sentence or a review. However, customer reviews are often more complex than that. For example, in the sentence, the food is delicious but the service is slow, the review contains two different opinions. The food is positive but the service is negative. If we only classify the whole sentence as positive or negative, we lose important information. This is where aspect-based sentiment analysis becomes useful. ABSA allows the models to identify sentiment toward aspects such as food, service, cleanliness, TV, or Wi-Fi. This is especially useful for customer feedback analysis because business can understand not only whether customers are satisfied, but also which specific part of the service needs improvement. The next challenge is efficiency. Indobert has achieved strong performance for Indonesian NLP tasks because it can capture rich contextual information. However, large transformer models usually have many parameters and require high computational resource. This makes deployment difficult in low-resource environments such as mobile application, edge device, or small business servers. On the other hand, Indobert Lite is much more efficient. It uses a recursive architecture with shared parameters, which reduce memory usage and computation costs. But this efficiency can also reduce the model's ability to capture complex semantic patterns, especially in nuanced ABSA tasks. So, the main problem is the trade-off between accuracy and efficiency. Large models are accurate but expensive, while compact models are efficient but may lose performance. To solve this problem, we can use knowledge distillation, where a large teacher model transfers knowledge to a smaller student model. However, standard distillation methods are not directly suitable in this case. The reason is architecture mismatch. Indobert, as the teacher, has unique parameters in each transformer layer. Meanwhile, in Indobert Lite, as the student use shared recursive parameter across iteration. Standard methods like DistillBert or TinyBert usually assume a direct layer-to-layer correspondence between teacher and student. But in our case, there is no straightforward mapping between Indobert's separate layers and Indobert's Lite recursive structure. Therefore, we need a special distillation strategy that can bridge this architecture gap. Next to method. To address this issue, we propose ABSA Mini Indobert. The main idea is to use Indobert as the teacher model and Indobert Lite as the compact student model. Instead of simply fine-tuning the smaller model, we transfer knowledge from the teacher into the student using the Mini Albert distillation strategy. This allows the student model to learn deeper semantic representation from the teacher while still keeping the model lightweight. The proposed framework also supports different ABSA input formulation, including single sentence classification, NLEM, and NLEB. The key method in this research is Mini-Albert distillation. Mini-Albert helps solve the architecture mismatch by mapping each recursive iteration of the student to a corresponding layer of the 12-layer teacher. We also use bottleneck adapters, which are small trainable modules inserted into the recursive blocks. These adapters help the student learn iteration-specific information without updating the entire backbone. In the adapter-only setting, the student backbone can be frozen and only the adapters are trained. This makes the training process much more parameter efficient. In short, Mini-Alberts allow the complex student to imitate the teacher's internal representation while keeping the model efficient. That concludes the first part of the presentation. Next, my partner will explain the dataset, experimental setup, and the result. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rifki. So besides distillation, we also tested three classification strategies: the single sentence, NLIM, and NLIB. We want to see which explicit formulation works best to help compact model learn. For our experiment, we used an Indonesian hotel customer review dataset containing over 2,854 reviews across 10 aspects of categories. By converting this into NLIB format, we generate over 85,000 sentence pairs to evaluate our model thoroughly. Now, let's look at the result. Please look at the table. Our proposed model, ABSA Mini Indobert, achieved a 97.57 F1 score on the NLIB test. Amazingly, it slightly outperformed the heavy teacher model, even though our model is much smaller, dropping from 123 million to just 11 million parameters. Furthermore, our adapter-only variant also keeps a very strong performance with only 1.79 million trainable parameters. We also found an interesting insight. Rigid tasks like NLIB work best for compact models. NLIB converts ABSA into a clear binary verification task. This explicit sign helps the small student model reach teacher-level accuracy compared to the flexible single-sentence task. Finally, let's wrap up with the conclusion. From this research, we have 4 key contributions. 1, we solved the architecture mismatch using Mini-Albert distillation and bottleneck adapters. 2, we achieved parameters efficient knowledge transfer. 3, we proved that choosing the right task formulation like NLIB is highly critical. And 4, our model is practically efficient and ready for deployment on resource-constrained devices like mobile apps. Yeah, that's bring us to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Goodbye.
Thank you.